Hi Dresser Kitties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Flareon from Pokemon. So let's get started. To draw this cute fire Pokemon, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and we're going to draw a curve down. So about right here, just draw a curve down as if kind of like you're drawing a leaf. So I'm going to bring it really low and then I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. There. So I got one eye and then I'm going to use this point as my guide and come right across, say about this wide, and draw the same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to go up nice and high just like that side. So say about right here. Try my best to match it and then go ahead and connect. There. Then from there, let's come back inside here and about in this area towards the top, we're going to draw a big oval for a highlight. And same thing over here. So for Flareon, you can color it all in black or you can color in black and then about right here you can put in some color if you like. So let's see here. I'm going to attempt to make it put in some color. So I'm just going to try my best to do this kind of like a greenish blue color. So I'm going to come about right here, just below that highlight, and create some color. Same thing over here. If it doesn't work, I'm just going to go ahead and color it all black. It's so much easier on the computer, right? Than to do it with a marker, but I'm going to try. And so I'm just going to use this greenish one and go back in here to make it a little bit more of an aqua color rather than blue. Hopefully the camera can pick that up. Okay, so have this greenish blue color and then I'm going to come back in here and shade it all in black. And same thing here. Just giving it a little bit of a sparkle. There, something like that. Hopefully that works. Now that I'm done with the eyes, I'm going to come back into the center about right here between the eyes and draw a little nose. So it's just a tiny little triangle. Right about there. Then from there, let's go ahead and frame the face. So I'll use this as my guide. Come out just a little bit, but right here, give myself a point. And same thing on this side. And we're basically going to draw bottom of a U and bring it down to say about right here. So this is my center. I'll just give myself a point about right there so I know where I'm going, and I'm going to go ahead. Just going to go around the eye and then about right there, I'm going to angle it in a little bit and come right to my point. So same thing over here, go around the eye and about right there we're going to go ahead and angle it in. There, so we have the face now, and then from there let's just bring this up a tiny bit more. Bring it up. And we're bringing it up a little bit higher because we have this tuft of fur that's at the top in the center right here. So to draw that, let's come about right here in this area. And I'm just going to draw a big curve right in the center. About right there. Then from there, let's continue this curve up just a little bit. And then on this side, we're going to curl it to create kind of this flame shape. Nice and high, and then we're just going to go up, bring it down, and then one more curve, and then let's just connect everything. There. So we created the center tuft of fur, Then from there we have these awesome ears that we need to draw all in this space. So I'm going to come about right here and here. In this space right here is where we're going to pop up these ears. So they're really big. So let's come up. And we're going to go out. And go out. And let's see here, let's keep going. So they're kind of triangular about right here, and they become a little point. So say about right here, let's go up towards a tip. And then at this tip point, we're going to separate it. It's a little zigzag. And then as we bring it down, you can go ahead. So as if we're creating this shape once again, but about right here, we're going to stop and zigzag a little bit before we connect. There. Now that we have the shape in, let's come back and draw the inside. So about right here in the center, just going to put in a little point right there, and then just follow my outside. Go up. And definitely turn your body or your paper, whatever you need to do to draw this angle right here. There. So one ear, now the other one. So same exact thing. We just want it in that space. So bring it up higher. And about right there. So let's go ahead, and once again we're going to angle. So our goal is just to make it almost exact same size. So about right here. I'm gonna go ahead. And about right here. So let's go up. And take a look at my camera. Oh, I think I went a little too high. Okay, so about right here. And then we're going to bring down a point. Once again, zigzag. And then as we come to about right here, we're going to zigzag again, just like the other side, before we connect. There, and then once again, draw the inside. So it's coming about right here. A little tough, and then follow your outside. And connect. There. Okay, so finally the ears are done. Now we can go ahead and draw the chest and body area. So it has a lot of, Flareon has a lot of fur right here underneath. So let's say about, let's come down, straight down to say about right here, nice and thick. We're going to give him some fur. I'm going to give myself a point, and from here we're going to zigzag all the way up to about right here on both sides. So let's go ahead from this point. We're going to go zigzag, nice and round. We're going to go all the way around. So sometimes bigger zigzags, smaller, it's all up to you. But we want to bring it back to about right here. So as we come back here, you can make it smaller and bring it in. So same exact thing over here. So I'm just trying to keep the same shape as we go, and remember I'm coming back to here. So you can always start here if that's easier. Since we're on this side, sometimes it's easier for my hand. Just go back and forth. There. But we just want to try to keep the same roundness going around. So now that we have that, let's see here. Maybe I should flare this one out a little bit more. Okay, I'm going to go in there and erase that a little bit. Oops. Oh my gosh. That's a very runny white out. It's been sitting for a while, I think. Okay. I'll go in there and fix it a little bit later when it dries. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and we're going to draw the legs. So this is still our center, just remember that. And then about in this area, we're going to come down. Well, let's just come down with a straight line. Make it a little bit simpler. right there, and say about right there, we're going to go ahead and come into this area, come down, so same thing on this side, and there we're going to go ahead and draw the feet, so round it off and connect, so same thing here, round it off and connect, then come back in here with 2 curves on both sides. Then we can go ahead and draw the body, so say about right here, we're just going to round it off and tuck it in right into there. Same thing here, about right here, and tuck it in. Try and match my other side, make it a little bit rounder. Okay, so then in this space right here is where we're going to put in some back feet. So we're curve down and out and tuck it in. And once again, 2 curves. So same thing, little curve and then out and in. There, all tucked in. Okay, so then from there we have the beautiful tail that we need to draw. So I'm going to bring this all the way around here just to make it a little bit easier to draw. So I'll say about right, we'll start about right here. So once again, we're just going to zigzag our way around and up. Just say about right here. Maybe flare out a little one right there. Bear with me here as I create this shape. And then let's see here, then we're going to imagine this is coming through. So say about right here, bring it back down, and then we're just going to flare it around to create this flame. And we want to bring it back to here. So bring this down and right there. Okay, so there, nice and messy, right? So once again, let me come back in here. And fix this shape. I just want it nice and flowing correctly. So they're all done. I really hope I helped you draw Flareon here from Pokemon Fun and Easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.